The sustainable home that's behind me actually explodes here on the inside, and we can actually see sustainable construction technologies that are on display. We're looking for ways to lower natural resource consumption, okay, and being more sustainable with our daily use, because there's a limited amount of natural resources that are on the planet.
But how much can one person do when the challenges seem so enormous? Jeff suggests that paying attention to the little things around your house will make a big difference.
I always like to say, we want to start with the low-hanging fruit. What can I do in one weekend to start this cultural shift, to become more environmentally sensitive and aware of where we're at?
Begin by assembling all your utility bills to get a sense of the energy and natural resources you're currently using.
Because any change you make, you want to see incremental change in advancement of environmental strategies, because that inspires you to do more.
You can accomplish a lot just by replacing a few old-style, heat-generating, energy-wasting light bulbs.
This light right here would be an incandescent bulb. It's the standard round bulb, but this consumes a lot of energy, and you want to look at ways to reduce this. And some of the ways to do that is look at fluorescent lighting, because it's actually a more efficient lighting and it can lower your energy cost.
Without the downside of the long fluorescent tubes you may remember from school or work that produced unnatural shades of light.
So the best way to go is these new compact fluorescents, and you can now get these in different color, what they call Kelvin color temperature ranges, and these will actually fit more the lifestyle and the color tone that incandescents were, and the bulb is compact.
And their longer life adds up to considerable savings.
They use less electricity with the same amount of light, but they last longer. And when you're saving on the energy use, and then you're actually having a bulb that lasts 6 times as long, it's much more efficient over the economics for the light bulb.
After you're done screwing in light bulbs, you might want to screw on one of the best and most basic water-saving devices a few dollars can buy.
You can go to any home supply store and start looking for low-flow shower heads, and you just want to take the shower head that's existing and take it off. And the one on the left here is not the low flow, and the one on the right is the low flow. And you can see in 1 week, this shower, a 5-minute shower, is about 140 gallons. And then with a low flow, this is 84 gallons. So you're saving a little over 50 gallons of water a week.
Carpeting your house is a more involved project, but cutting-edge materials make it cost-effective and easier on the earth.
Carpet is one of the great leaders out there, along with paint, for actually doing simple green home retrofits that are environmentally friendly.
The forward-thinking carpet companies are now recycling everything they can because they realize the negative impact their discarded products have had.
The second biggest filler of landfills in the United States behind baby diapers is carpet. When you look at backing material, you want to look for recycled backing material, and this can be made out of recycled foam, all different composites. Carpet can now be made out of plastic bottles. So there are even carpet companies out there now that will take your old carpet back and recycle it for you. And when you buy new carpet, they'll enter into a deal with you for actually to recycle that carpet at its life end.
Cooking in a sustainable kitchen also involves making some deals when it comes to heat exchange.
We want to look for opportunities where we can use the heat generated from cooking as a way to minimize our heat usage in winter months. So we look at stoves, and we look at ways to use stoves or natural gas. Once that's actually heated up to a level, we can open the stove, and after we're done cooking, and ventilate that heat into our home and minimize the heat in the winter months.
And for you summer barbecue fans,
look for opportunities to cook outside. This is where we can actually move that heavy heat load with actually that wonderful summer meals and move it to the outside, so we're not having the grill, the stove on the inside actually fighting the load of the mechanical system, because it takes a lot of energy to actually cool our homes, especially in the heat of the day and the afternoons. Living in our climate in the desert will always be a challenge. It is so extreme.
But our sun-rich, water-sparse, heat-laden Mojave environment also offers opportunities to change the world around us for good, one sustainable home improvement at a time.
We are leading the way in a lot of fronts for being cutting edge and being very environmentally friendly and being aware. But awareness is where it starts.